12 p.m. right now, and if you check my Instagram, yes, a post just went live automatically. And yes, the funny thing is that this happens every single day at 12 p.m. No reminders, no stress, and no manual posting. And because of this, people keep asking me and my team, how are you guys so consistent with your Instagram content? And the truth is that we are not sitting in designing and creating each post manually. We have built a simple automation system where Gemini creates the captions and image, Pabbly Connect connects everything, and Instagram posts go live on autopilot. In this video, I'll show you how you can exactly do this same, and you can try this today for free. Yes, you heard it right. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. And yes, that's the reason I mentioned that you can create this automation for free and try this for free for a few days. And you can see now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. And first of all, once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like Pabbly Connect, then you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And while purchasing, if you want a very good discount, and because you watch our YouTube videos, so we have a special discount coupon code just for you. You can use this discount coupon code which is attached right over here to get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, then you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we are here to help you to provide this discount coupon code because you watch our YouTube videos. Alright, so now if you're a new user, just log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your dashboard and then the workflow builder, and we are on this window. So now follow me. This is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as schedule by Pabbly. So schedule is a feature by Pabbly which helps you to schedule your workflow, and I want to schedule this workflow for every day at 12 p.m. So for the event, I'm just going to select it as schedule workflow and click on this connect. Now it is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So I want to run this every day, so I'm selecting every day. Now I'm just going to select the time as 12 p.m. right over here, and you have to select this according to your own choice, business needs, and you have to first of all see on which time your audience is highly engaged, and you can select the time according to that. Not only this, you can also select the days of the week, days of the month if you don't want to post regularly. You just have to click on this save, and this workflow is scheduled at your date and time. And after scheduling this workflow, let's move on further. We're going to use Google Gemini in order to generate the post caption. For that, click on this add new action step, and now for the action application, search for Gemini. So let's search for Gemini, and we have to select Google AI Studio. For the event, you have to select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this API key. So to get this API key, open your Google AI Studio. Alright, so for that you have to go towards this hyperlink given right over here, and after you come on this Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side you have to go towards this get API key section and then click on this create API key. You have to enter your key name, select the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created, so you have to copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this key, you have to click on this save, and your Google Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And after creating this connection, you can generate the content. Alright, so let's wait for a few seconds till this connection is being made, and you're going to see over here it is saying connected. This means that we have successfully created this connection. And now it is asking me for the text. So over here we have to enter the text using which we are going to generate the post content, and as you can see, I'm just going to use this same prompt right over here. Alright, so I'm just going to copy this prompt and paste it right over here. And if you also want this from the workflow, or all of this workflow is attached in the description box below, you can copy the prompt from there also, and you can customize this according to your own Instagram page. For the model, you have to select it as according to your own choice. I'm going to select it as 2.5 flash. And now for the method, select it as generate content and click on the save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, within seconds and in real time, Gemini is going to generate me the post content, which is the caption. So we just have to wait for a few seconds, and you can see that this is generated right over here. You must be wondering why it has included this hashtags, this BR tags, because I mentioned this in the prompt, and it is very important that you also mention this because this is the only acceptable format when we post it further on Instagram. All right, now let's move on further. We're going to generate the post image. All right, so for that also I'm just going to use Gemini. I'm going to click on this add new action step, search for Gemini once again and select Google AI Studio. And now this time for the event, you have to select it as generate and edit image nano banana and click on this connect. Recently we have created the connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, so we're going to click on this select existing connection and then save. Now once again it is asking me for the prompt, so over here I'm just going to go back towards my workflow, and as you can see that this is my prompt to generate the image. So I'm just going to open this prompt, and what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to use this same prompt. All right, so I'm just going to just copy this prompt, and I'm just going to go back towards my workflow and use this same prompt. And in this prompt, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to enter the caption which Gemini generated previously, but we are not going to enter the caption manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and this means that this is going to change with every new response received because the caption is going to change, and I want the image should be generated using this caption only. It should be similar to that caption. All right, so that's the reason I've mapped it, because I want the image should be similar to that caption, and that's the reason why I have mapped it. Now you can see I've mentioned all the details in this prompt too. Now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. It was asking for the image URL, but I don't have to edit an image. I want to generate the image, right? So that's the reason we have ignored this and directly clicked on the save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, you're going to see that it has successfully generated me the image, and over here is the file URL. So what you have to do is you have to just copy this file URL, open it in a new tab, and you can check that the image is generated and this is correct or not. And yes, this is correct. We can move on further with this. All right, so now let's close this. Now let's post this on our Instagram. For that, click on this add new action step, and for the action application, search for Instagram and select Instagram for business right over here. For the event, you have to select it as create, upload and publish photo. All right, and now click on this connect. Once we're going to click on this connect, once again it is asking me for the same. So if you have already created a connection between Instagram for business and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection and then connect with Instagram for business. Once we click on this connect with Instagram for business, we have to make sure that our Instagram account is connected with our Facebook account. The Facebook account is logged in and the Instagram account is logged in, because the connection between Pabbly and Instagram happens using Facebook only. So once all of this is logged in, you're going to see the option of this continue. So click on this continue and your Instagram account will be connected with Pabbly Connect too. All right, now after creating this connection, let's post on our Instagram, and for that we want the photo URL and the caption. So yes, Gemini generated both of this. So we're going to map the photo URL first right over here, and then we're going to move in further and map the caption too. After mapping both of these details, you're going to see first of all you have to make sure that the account you have selected should be the correct one. All right, after doing this, just click on this save and send test request. Once you're going to click on this save and send test request, it is saying saved successfully. So let's check for the response right over here, and for that we just have to wait for a few seconds, and you're going to see we have received the response and it is giving me an error right over here. And why is this error given? Because the URL is not correct. What we have to do is we have to read the help text and make sure that the URL is a public URL. All right, so for that what you have to do is you have to just close this, and between this Gemini and Instagram for business, click on this add new action step and search for file uploader. And this is a feature by Pabbly, so I'm just going to search for file uploader by Pabbly. For the event, you have to select it as upload and get URL and click on this connect. Now what you have to do is you just have to enter the file URL which Gemini generated right over here, map it. And now for the file name, if you wish, you can definitely map the caption. I'm just going to keep this as static because this is not a big thing required. And now I'm just going to click click on the save and send test request, and now it is going to give me a publicly accessible or direct downloadable file URL which we're going to map further. And now you can see we have received this file URL, and now let's open Instagram for Business and we're going to map this file URL which file uploader by Pabbly given us. So let's delete the previous Gemini file URL, and now we're going to map this file URL. After we map this file URL, we have to click on the save and send test request, and now we're going to receive the positive response because the photo URL is correct now. So let's wait for a few seconds, still receiving the response right over here, and once we're going to receive this response, this post will be posted on my Instagram. So let's wait for a few seconds, and we're going to refresh this, and we're going to check that if the new post has been posted or not. And you're going to see a new post is posted right now, and you're going to see that this is the same post which we generated using Gemini. And not only right now, but now every day at 12 p.m. this workflow is going to run. Google Gemini is going to generate the caption and the image, and we're going to post it on our Instagram. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. As I told you, the workflow URL is also attached in the description box below, and the coupon code is also attached in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.